Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows scanning of an adrenal mass. You can see the liver, right kidney, and a mass in the upper pole of the right kidney, adrenal mass. A hepatic mass is also seen, which you will see later on in this video. An adrenal mass is an abnormal growth that develops in the adrenal gland. It is unclear why these masses form. They can develop in anyone of any age, but they are more common in older individuals. Adrenal tumors are cancerous or non-cancerous growths on the adrenal gland. The cause of the most adrenal tumors is unknown. Now you can see the adrenal mass, quite a large adrenal mass, and it measures about 8.2 centimeter into 6.7 centimeter. Adrenal tumors are common, occurring in 2 to 3% of adults in their lifetime. The most common adrenal problems are the development of benign non-cancerous tumors inside the adrenal gland. Functional adrenal tumors are usually benign, although some are capable of becoming cancerous and spreading. Benign functional tumors can still produce hormones and may be found during tests for hormone-related symptoms. Again, you can see this, the patient is in the side-on position, and a mass is seen in the upper pole, attached to the upper pole of the right kidney. It can be always high or sometimes high. Sometimes the tumors can cause high blood pressure that can be life-threatening. It is very rare cause of high blood pressure, but it must be considered when medicine is not enough to control the high blood pressure. Adrenocortical cancer is rare. There are two types of adrenocortical cancer. Functional tumors are the most common types and accounts for about 70% of adrenal cancers. These tumors make hormones such as cortisol and androgen or aldosterone. Again, you can see the adrenal gland. Now you can clearly see the mass is attached to the upper portion of the interior wall of the adrenal gland. In adrenocortical cancer, these symptoms usually are due to pressure caused by the tumor as it compresses organs, nerves, and other structures around the adrenal gland. Some patients describe feeling full with no appetite because of pressure on the stomach and other abdominal organs. Now, how do doctors treat adrenal glands problems if the tumor is small and not causing health problems? Your doctor might just check it with repeat blood or urine tests and scan every year. If it is large, might be cancerous, or make extra hormones, your doctor will probably recommend surgery to remove it. You can see now the liver and a mass is seen in the upper portion of the right lobe of the liver. While many adrenal tumors do not cause symptoms, some releases excess hormones that may lead to symptoms such as high blood pressure, facial flushing, weight gain, headache, and palpitations. Adrenal incidentalomas equal to or more than 4 centimeter in size are likely to be malignant. However, adrenal oncocytoma, a rare cause of adrenal incidentaloma, despite being larger in size, is usually benign, though imaging characters for renal oncocytoma are well described. Imaging features of adrenal oncocytoma lack clarity. Now, adrenal gland tumors signs and symptoms are high blood pressure, low potassium levels, heart palpitations, nervousness, feeling of anxiety or panic attacks, headache, excessive perspiration, and diabetes. Now you can clearly see a mass in the right lobe of the upper portion of the right lobe of the liver. Adenomas of the adrenal gland are non-cancerous, benign tumors on the adrenal gland. Most do not cause any signs and symptoms and rarely require treatment. However, some may become active or functioning, which means they produce hormones often in excess of what adrenal gland typically produce. Most adrenal glands represent benign non-functioning masses called adenomas. In some cases, they represent benign lesions that may secrete hormones that can affect patients' blood pressure or steroid sugar levels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.